Alright, so most missed problem 11 says Devin tried to find the derivative of negative 3x minus 11 using basic differentiation rules. Here is his work. And it wants us to find which step Devin made a mistake, if he made a mistake at all. Alright, so first of all we start off with the derivative ddx of negative 3x minus 11. Alright, it looks like the first thing that Devin did was separate it at the subtraction, which is a totally legal move. We could do that with limits, so we can do it with derivatives. It looks like next Devin took the derivative of 11 and that went to 0. Thumbs up on that step. So we're good on first step and second step. Alright, third step, looks like they factored the negative 3 out, which is good. Alright, and then the derivative of x is 1. So we end up with just a negative 3. Alright, so as I can see it, every step of this is correct. There are no issues with that. You could possibly go in different orders, but there are really no mistakes. Alright, so when we're looking at this, everything with this derivative is good, and it's a thumbs up on the work. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. But that was most missed problem number 11.